In this lesson, we are going to install AI tools and VS Code extensions. The best AI tools in VS Code based on ChatGPT response is GitHub Copilot. But in this project, I'm going to use Codium because it's free and it's as good as Copilot. To do that, in VS Code, go to Extensions and type Codium. Select it and install it. Then you will see Codium login in bottom right corner. Click on it, click on Login, Allow, and you'll be redirected to codium.com. Here you need to log in or create a new account. Log in with Google, select your Google account, and then click on Open VS Code. Awesome. You successfully logged in to Codium. To make sure that it works, go to page.tsx and press enter here. Then type const, and then you will get this ghost code by Codium. So it means that we successfully installed this package. After installing AI tools, it's time to install VS Code extensions. We use 6 VS Code extensions in this project. Let's start by installing ESLint. Simply click Extensions, type the name of extension, select it, and install it. Simply do this step for Prettier, VS Code icons, Tailwind, ES7 React snippet, and Pretty TypeScript errors. After installing these packages, it's time to configure VS Code. Press Command-Shift-P in Mac or Control-Shift-P in Windows and type Setting. Select Open User Setting JSON and add this configuration to your settings.json. Section 1 is for Prettier. Set default formatter to Prettier. Don't put semicolon at the end of commands. Use single quote instead of double quote. And for JS code, use single quote too. For editor setting, we don't need to display minimap. Set font size to 13. No need to margin. And format code on save. For UI part, set zoom level to 3. You can set it to whatever you like. No need to display command center at the top. Put the sidebar on right. Use VS Code icons and set layout control enable to false. Other options are optional. You don't need to them, but for this part, I suggest to use this setting. Without this setting, you can follow the project, of course, but this setting makes your code very similar to what I typed during this project. After setting this, if you save file, you don't have any semicolon, and instead of double quote, you have single quote, both in the TypeScript code and in JSX code, like this. That's it about installing AI tools and VS Code extensions. Until next lesson, bye-bye.